Hello and welcome to Inner Purpose Therapy. Be honest. Are you feeling overwhelmed lately? Like your to-do list has a to-do list and you just can't catch a breath? Maybe you're juggling work, family, and countless responsibilities, and it feels like you're always one step behind. We all know that feeling. It sneaks up on you. Mornings, traffic, even late at night when the world is quiet but your mind is racing. Sometimes even the things that used to bring you comfort feel a little out of reach. Stress can turn a sunny day gray and make your favorite song sound like noise. It can cloud your mind and make even simple joys feel distant. It can make you feel like you're not doing enough, but let me tell you, what you're feeling is normal. You're not broken, you're just human. And it's okay to feel overwhelmed sometimes. You're not alone. Life gets bumpy for all of us, no matter how put together we might look on the outside. So let's pause together. I want to share something simple that's helped me find calm in the chaos, even on the toughest days. No magic solution, just a way to quiet the world and hear your own steady rhythm. It's about finding a moment of peace, even if it's just for a breath or two. Give yourself the grace you give everyone else. You deserve kindness, especially from yourself. You deserve a break, a little peace, and a chance to live with more ease and joy. Let's make space for that right now. We're going to learn how to find our calm together. You don't have to do it alone. It's a simple practice you can use anytime, anywhere. No special tools needed. Take a deep breath with me. That's it, you're already doing it. Just this small act can shift your whole day. Let's begin this journey to a calmer you, one gentle step at a time. You might think your stress is unique or that nobody else could possibly understand what you're going through. But here's the truth. Stress affects everyone. It doesn't matter if you're a CEO making big decisions, a stay-at-home parent managing countless tasks, a student trying to keep up, or a teacher working late into the night. Even people who seem to have everything under control, who appear calm on the outside, experience stress just like anyone else. It's a universal experience. Proof that we're all in this together, no matter where we come from or what our lives look like. Don't ever think your struggle is too small, unimportant, or not worth mentioning. Your feelings are valid, every single one, and you deserve care and understanding. We're not pretending worries don't exist, we're learning to relate to them differently, to meet them with kindness instead of judgment. This meditation is for everyone, no matter your age, your job, or your story. It's as basic as drinking water when you're thirsty, a simple, gentle way to soothe your own mind and give yourself a little peace. Let go of the idea that you're alone in this, because you're not. We're all supporting each other step by step, day by day. Sometimes we just need to sit down, breathe, and rest for a while, together. Now let's talk about what we're going to do together in this gentle space. This guided meditation is your invitation to step away from the demands of daily life, even if just for a few minutes. No special equipment, no yoga skills, just you, right here, right now, exactly as you are. All you need is a willingness to pause. Think of your mind as a peaceful garden. Sometimes worries and thoughts can take over, but we're here to nurture the flowers, your calm and peace together. We're not removing the weeds, we're simply giving more attention to what's beautiful, what's already blooming inside you. The language will be gentle, the practice simple, and every moment will be an invitation to soften and let go. We'll focus on your breath, your most powerful tool for finding calm, grounding yourself, and returning to the present. There's no right or wrong way to do this. Every breath, every pause is just right for you. The only goal is to be kind to yourself and give yourself this moment of rest, comfort, and gentle care. You are worthy of this peace, and you deserve to feel at ease in your own skin. Let's get ready to settle in and give your mind and body the rest they've been needing. This is your time. Let it be as sweet and restful as you need. First, find a comfortable spot. No special cushion required. Sit or lie down wherever you feel supported and at ease. Let your feet rest flat, hands in your lap, back straight but relaxed. Close your eyes if you prefer, or simply lower your gaze. Minimize distractions and turn your attention inward. Notice the sounds around you. Allow them to be part of your experience. Now let's take a deep breath together. Inhale slowly through your nose, filling your belly and chest. Exhale gently through your mouth, letting go of the day. Once more, inhale and exhale. Feel your shoulders drop, your jaw soften. You are here, you are safe, you are ready. Now that you're settled, bring your attention to your breath. Don't change it, just notice it, like watching gentle waves. Let your breath flow in and out naturally. Notice where you feel it most, your nose, chest, or belly. Rest your attention there, as light as a butterfly. If it helps, silently say in as you inhale, out as you exhale. Feel the steady rhythm, each breath a new beginning. Keep your focus on this simple sensation. Notice the little pauses at the top and bottom of each breath. There's peace in this simple act. You're giving your mind a rest and letting your nervous system settle. Just keep coming back to this gentle rhythm. You are safe here. You're doing a wonderful job. Sooner or later, your mind will wander. That is completely normal. The moment you notice is a success. You have become aware. Be gentle with yourself. There is no need to feel frustrated. Imagine your thoughts as clouds drifting by. Simply notice them. There is no need to chase or resist. The practice is not about never having thoughts. It is about gently returning your attention to your breath. Each time you guide your attention back, you strengthen your mindfulness. Treat yourself with kindness and patience. Every return is progress. Be proud of yourself for noticing and simply begin again. As we close, let go of focus on the breath and just sit in this quiet space. Notice how your body and mind feel. Maybe a little lighter, a little more settled. You showed up for yourself, and that's everything. This calm is always here for you. You can use this practice anytime, before work, during chaos, or before bed. This is your tool, your peace. When you're ready, bring gentle movement back. Wiggle your fingers, roll your shoulders. Open your eyes slowly, seeing the world anew. Take this feeling of peace with you into your day. Remember, one conscious breath can break the cycle of stress. Be proud of what you did for yourself. Be kind to yourself. Take these peaceful moments whenever you need them. You deserve every single one. Take care.